I have my FMS Futura. I'll be hand launching it. The grass is just too long, as you can see, looking at that front nose gear. It's totally covered, and that's an 1.5 inch tire. It's a good 2.5 inches, 2.5, maybe almost 3 inches of grass today. Left and right in the ailerons, left and right in the rudder, up and down in the elevator. And let's see, I can't even see the wheels on the lower side. We'll add half flaps and hand launch into the wind from the southeast at about 7 miles an hour. As high as 10, they were saying, so let's see how we can do. Right now it doesn't feel that much, so feeling like we'll get up pretty well. Let's give it a little bit of extra throttle, and here we go. And she's up. Trying a new accessory on it today. Just kind of taped onto the side of the fuse to get the wires back to the receiver, but it's a we call it an afterburner, and you can see that little red light at the back maybe of the fuse of the tail section, and it changes color based on the speed, so it goes to kind of a bluish when you full throttle, whitish blue. Just trying it. I'm not sure I will keep it there. Right now I'm just seeing how it will do. Obviously, there you go, you can see it change color maybe. I don't know, I could see it. Afterburners are kind of cool, but much better when they're inside. I just kind of tacked it onto the back, because what I've done, I found on one of the 3D sites a exhaust tail in black, and looks much better on the plane than just the silvery gray painted that we got. So I've been flying with that for quite a while, but I wanted to add something a little different. So today we're flying with the afterburner look. It's not an expensive one, it was rather cheap actually. But there it is, and there it goes into that white and blue color. I think it would look pretty cool at night, or in the early dusk anyway, I mean. There's not any lights on this, so flying this after dark would be not very good. So it's not like my Night Timber X. Oh, time is fleeting by. Let's see if we can get one roll in. Oop. Maybe not. I pushed that the wrong way. Bring it back around. We'll glide this in for a little moment. Add some throttle. Take it back up. I do have a voltage alarm on, but we will be bringing it down on time. These Z batteries that I have in it, 2200 4S, is doing really well recently, so I want to keep it that way. So 4 minutes is a great time on this. So that's about one more lap around the field here. See if we can go full throttle and see what we get here.
363 feet, 40 miles per hour.
We're doing more than 40, I hope. Okay. So our time is out and our voltage alarm went off. So we are right on schedule here.
Landing mode on.
See how we do. There she is. FMS Futura 64mm. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please comment as well. Love to know your thoughts on the Afterburner, let me give you a quick little shot of this and see what happens if I go up full throttle. There it goes, white, and you can see it go from red through blue and white. So that's what it does. Rather inexpensive, got it on AliExpress. So there'll be more flights to come with it. Thanks very much for watching, and I appreciate it.